The Samsung Galaxy A32 5G, currently selling for $400, is considered by many as one of the best mid-range smartphones to buy right now, though it was launched in 2021. With its pleasant looks and striking features, the A32 5G is undoubtedly a good purchase. With its high-performance octa-core processor, the A32 5G gives a smooth performance while accessing multiple heavy applications. The 4GB RAM also contributes to the smoothness of the A32 5G. There is also another version that comes with a RAM of 8GB, but with a slightly higher price. On storage, there are also two options, 64GB and 128, and you can also use the second SIM card slot to increase your storage by using a micro SD card. The A32 5G comes with Android 11, though you can upgrade to Android 12. On camera, it comes with an ultra-wide 16-megapixel single camera setup on the front with multiple features including digital zoom, face detection, and touch to focus. At the back, there is a 48-megapixel quad camera setup with LED flash and capable of 4K video at 30 frames per second. The 6.6-inch 20-mega color display gives crystal clear visuals, though it has a low refresh rate of just 60 Hz. This massive display size also results in the A32 5G being a big phone, and it's a bit difficult to navigate the screen if you are using one hand. My hands are big, but I struggle to reach all the parts of the screen. So if you're someone with small hands, this is probably not a phone for you, unless of course you want to use both hands every time you'll be using a phone. If I'm to pick one feature that really stands out on this phone, it will be its 5G capability. I mean, nowadays a lot of phones have 5G only on paper, but practically you have a lot of problems. But this is unlike our A32 5G Galaxy phone. It runs smoothly on 5G, surpassing some high-end phones I have used in the past. It also has backward compatibility, supporting from LTE down to GSM. When you're using the A32 5G, it's not all roses. There are some features that are not desirable. For example, the audio port and the charging port at the bottom of the phone, they gather a lot of dust, and the speaker as well. And you have to constantly clean them if you want your phone to look fresh every time. The protruding camera to some might be a turn off, but personally, I don't like the way the cameras are arranged. No creativity at all, just line them up. A lot of manufacturers do that and it's not cool. We need better creative designs. The Galaxy A32 5G has a plastic back panel and chassis, but the finish was done in a way that it does not look like a cheap budget phone. She is overall a beauty. The front display has a Gorilla Glass 5 for maximum protection. And to sum up, if you are on a budget but you need a phone that performs like a high-end smartphone, the Samsung Galaxy A32 5G is the answer.